Okay, so I'm going to make a single video for the course description and course goals pages. Um, this will be a little bit redundant to do two separate videos. So I also assume that the course description you've probably read already, that you saw it in the catalog. You're probably already familiar with it. So just in a very brief summary, this gives us an opportunity to look at U.S. healthcare policy and in general, just a more general look at policy and how some current events topics relate to it. From a historical to current perspective, we're going to look at what I see are some foundational pieces of legislation and policy in the history of health IT, history meaning going back 15 or so years. So that's the Affordable Care Act. That's the High Tech or Health Information Technology for Economic and Clinical Health Act and the HIPAA Act. And so we're going to look at those and how those inform other foundational aspects of health IT as an industry and a profession, and then we'll weave in current events topics and things like what's going on with what does the ACA, for example, look like now 15 or so years later since its initial passing. So that's the description and really the goals of the course. So I hope that's just helpful to put a little more context to what you've probably already read in the form of the course description and goals.